Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is MarioTetris 988 from Tech First Real Time, and in today's video we'll be doing probably the last thing you would want to do in 2021. Install Windows Server 2008. Now to be fair, I did install Windows Server 2008 on a laptop, but I've decided to install Windows Vista on it, which will be an upcoming video. I'll leave a card to it in the top right hand corner once I publish it, so that'll be in the future, but I'll just come back to this video and you know what I mean. So I'll be installing Windows Server 2008 on one of my desktops that I have. So without further ado, let's get right into installing it. So after many attempts, we finally were able to get Windows Server 2008 up to the point where we could format the hard drive and we can install Windows Server 2008. So I'm really happy now. And to be honest, it seemed like this computer really hates Windows Server 2008. Like, first it doesn't like that it's 64-bit, then it doesn't even recognize the hard drive. But now we're lucky that it did recognize the hard drive. We formatted, like deleted all of them, so it was unallocated space, and we were able to install it. And just let me say one thing here, that this is going to take a very long time. I don't know how long it's going to take to install this bad boy, but I don't even know if I'll be able to finish by today. Yes, it's at 1%. That's a good sign. Hey, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. Wow, that's actually faster than normal. Now what we need to do is make a password, so I'm just going to create one quickly. And we've successfully installed it. So that's about it. So thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks. Have a great day.